Let's access the teams of Global. So on the left menu, you click Teams. You're going to see here some details of all teams on Global. As members, you can filter, sort them, have different views on teams. You can have access to your own teams, but for this example, let's create a new team. Now, as every team has a name and a description where you want to be the more detailed as possible, for example purposes, I'm going to skip this part. And you need to select which challenge are you going to tackle, or if you're tackling your own challenge, what we call a citizen challenge. So let's select Hydro-Quebec's challenge for this example. I want to make it a private team as I want to receive access requests and approve them or not. And for the rest, let's make all members of the team able to send messages. Let's also add a forum to this team, as this feature is super great. We encourage you to select a profile image, so when members of Global browse teams, you're able to stand out. So since I'm using an example on energy, I've selected a couple of energy related images. So let's move on. As the last step, Global offers you the option to send invitations to other members of Global. So simply select which one of the members you want to send your invitation to for your team, typing the invitation message. Let's click on Send, and once the message is sent, simply click on Finish, and now you just created your team on the Global platform.